Hi everyone, hope you are enjoying your life. I am here with you with the third agreement, which is do not make assumptions. So, what does it mean? What is the meaning of assumptions? So, assumptions means something or anything that we do accept true even though we do not have any proof. साधारण सा मतलब इसका हिंदी में ये है कि कोई भी ऐसी मान्यता या मान्यताएं है जिसे हम सच मान लेते हैं लेकिन उसका सत्यता या वास्तविकता से कोई लेना देना नहीं है। दूसरे शब्दों में हम ये कह सकते हैं कि assumptions are nothing more than lies that we are telling to ourselves. This creates a big drama for nothing because we do not really know if something is true or not. Let us understand it by taking few examples, one or two. Suppose you are walking in the mall, you see the person whom you like most. That person turns to you and smiles, then walk away. On this only a one experience you can make a lot of assumptions, and on the basis of these assumptions you can create the whole story, and it cannot make or it will not make any sense in the future. So I hope you also remember the movie scene of Dhoom, wherein Uday Chopra was standing on the beach and he sees the Bipasa Basu actress, and first he assumed romance, then he assumes marriage, then he assumes children. So this is the second example by which we can understand it, that we are creating in our mind, and it does not make any sense. We have tendency to make assumptions about everything. The problem with making assumptions is that we believe these are true. Many times we could swear they are real. We make assumptions what others are doing or thinking. Sometimes we make assumptions and take them personally. Here we can understand the importance of second agreement, which we understood in the second episode. So sometimes we make assumptions and take them personally. Making assumptions and taking them personally is the beginning of hell in these words. Almost all of our conflicts are based on this. It is always better to ask questions than making an assumptions, because making assumptions set us up for suffering. We see only what we want to see and hear what we want to hear. We do not perceive the things the way they are. We have the habit of dreaming with no basis of reality. Now let us understand the do's and don'ts for do not make assumptions. So what are the do's? The first one is ask questions clearly instead of guessing. The second one is seek clarification when you feel something confusing. The third one is communicate openly about your feelings and expectations. The fourth one is listen actively before forming any opinions about others. What are the don'ts? The first one is do not read mind. No one can. The second one is do not react emotionally based on half information. The third one is do not create stories in your head without proper evidence. The last one is do not believe साइलेंस मीन्स रिजेक्शन और अप्रूवल। जाते आपको एक शेर सुनाते जाता हूँ। शेर इससे रिलेटेड नहीं है लेकिन बहुत ही अच्छा शेर है, मुझे बहुत पसंद है, आपको भी पसंद आएगा। वो ये है कि टूटी हुई कश्ती का हुनर देख रहे हैं, टूटी हुई कश्ती का हुनर देख रहे हैं, साहिल पे खड़े लोग इधर देख रहे हैं, तुम पैरों के छालों को फकत देख रहे हो और हम उससे आगे का सफ़र देख रहे हैं। ठीक है, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।